If your vacation rental feels busy, messy, and almost one step behind, you're likely missing simple SOPs that quietly run your business for you. In this video, I'm going to show you the 4 vacation rental SOPs that remove daily chaos, reduce guest issues, and give you back control without losing your personal touch. Ever feel like you're constantly on with your vacation rental? Messages, cleaners, check-ins, problems popping up at the worst time? Well, you're not alone. Most hosts aren't overwhelmed because they have too much to do. They're overwhelmed because they're repeating the same things every day, and it's costing them time, energy, and honestly, peace of mind. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix that with just 4 simple SOPs. Hi, I'm Gerry MacPherson, and I've spent over 30 years in hospitality, and I help vacation rental owners get more bookings, more control, with a lot less stress. And today, I'm going to help simplify your operations in a way that actually sticks. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the real reason your rental feels chaotic, the 4 SOPs that actually fix most daily problems, and how to build your first one without overthinking it. And by the end, you'll know exactly how to run your rental without it running you. So let's first talk about the hidden loop that is draining you. Here's where a lot of vacation rental owners get stuck. You're solving the same problems all day, but the same problems keep coming back. Guest questions, cleaner confusion, check-in messages, different day, same issues. So why does this happen? And honestly, it makes sense. No one teaches you systems when you start. You just figure it out as you go, so everything lives in your head. So what can you do about it? Well, stop solving problems. Start capturing them. If something happens twice, it becomes a process. If guests always ask for Wi-Fi details, you don't answer it faster, you build it into your check-in message. That's a small shift, but can be a big relief. So, what are the 4 SOPs that actually matter? Now, this might surprise you, but you don't need 20 systems. You just need 4. This is where most hosts overcomplicate this. They think they need software automation and fancy setups because the industry makes it sound complicated. But your daily problems are actually very predictable. So, what are the 4 fixes? Focus on these 4 SOPs. Guest communication, cleaning and turnover, issue resolution, weekly owner rhythm. So let me give you an example. The guest communication SOP. It should include booking confirmation, check-in instructions, mid-stay check, checkout message. Set it once, use it forever. And this is where it gets interesting. These 4 SOPs cover most of your stress points. And a concern I often hear is, don't SOPs kill the personal touch? Well, no, they don't. Many hosts avoid systems because they don't want to sound robotic. You care about your guests. You want it to feel personal. Well, the fix is to use these systems for predictable parts, so you can be human in the meaningful moments. For example, automate your directions, Wi-Fi details, house rules, and then spend your energy on personal recommendations, thoughtful replies, guest experience. Systems don't remove personality, they protect it. What's the one thing you repeat every single day at your rental? Very curious. Let me know in the comments. I read every one. So let's build your first SOP in 10 minutes. Let's keep it simple. Most people never start because they think this is going to be a big job. You think you need to build everything at once. Well, just start with 1. Pick your biggest repeat task. Write it down. When it happens, what you do, what you say. That is it. Simple, clear, done. Here are your key takeaways. Repeat tasks create stress. SOPs remove daily decisions. 4 systems fix most problems. Automation supports personal touch. Start with one SOP today. If you want help putting this into action, join our free training webinar, The 5 Biggest Mistakes Vacation Rental Owners Make. It walks you through exactly how to build these systems step by step. But if you're not quite ready for that, download the 7-day vacation rental Jumpstart. The link is in the description below. It's simple, practical, and it works. All right, thanks a lot for watching. And if you like this video, make sure to hit like, subscribe so you don't miss any future episodes. And if you really found it helpful, feel free to buy us a coffee. It helps keep all the lights on. In the next video, I'm going to talk about owner-operator weekly rhythm so you can stop winging it. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need the right next step. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.